Okay, so hello, good day. At ito ang continuation natin sa long method derivative. Okay, we are now in number 5. Okay, in number 5, okay, the y is equal to the cube root of x. Y, okay, y is equal to the cube root of x. Okay, for the number 1 to number 4, ay ilalagay ko na lang yung link sa ating description box. Okay, feel free to visit those links. Okay, upon solving this problem, the answer must be y prime. Okay, is equal to, cube yun eh, cube root yan eh, so 1/3. Okay, cube root of x squared. So, ganito dapat yung maging answer natin. Okay, again, for the step number 1, let y is equal to y plus delta y, and x is equal to x plus delta x. So, y, magiging y plus delta y is equal to the cube root of x plus delta x. Okay, for the step number 2, transpose the y to the other side, kaya magiging delta y is equal to the cube root of x plus delta x minus y. Okay, where y is equal to the cube root of x. Okay, the next step is to divide both sides by delta x. Okay, and then we need to simplify this one. Okay, to simplify this one, gagamit lang tayo ng factoring method where x squared, okay, not x squared, I mean x cube, okay, minus y cube is equal to, okay, x minus y multiply by x squared, okay, plus xy plus y squared. Okay, so ang gagawin lang natin dito is multiply lang tayo ng x squared plus xy plus y squared, okay, all over by itself para maging 1. So imagine niyo na lang, ito yung x natin at ito yung y natin. So itong part yon. So kailangan lang natin i-multiply itong part na to sa part na to. Okay, hindi magulo yun ah. Okay, kasi ang goal natin dyan is to eliminate the cube root dito. So to eliminate that, kailangan lang natin mag-raise ng cube dito. Okay, that's the idea of this one. Okay, that's the idea of rationalizing it. Okay, so maglalagay lang tayo ng x squared where ito yon. So cube root of, okay, x plus delta x squared, okay, plus xy, itong part na to multiply dito, cube root of x plus delta x multiply by the cube root of x plus the y squared. Okay, yung y ko parang x, so y squared. So ito naman, okay, cube root of x squared all over by, sa kung ano yung numerator natin, yun din yung ilalagay natin sa denominator. Okay, since kapag pinag-divide natin to by itself, magiging 1 lang siya. So, ayun. Kopyahin na lang natin. Okay. So, sa bali sa numerator, ang mangyayari is magiging x cube minus y cube siya. Okay. That is only for the numerator lang. Okay. For the denominator naman, pwede siyang distribute. Okay. X cube magiging cube root of x plus delta x raised to 3 minus y cube. Okay. Cube root of x cube all over by delta x, okay, multiply by dito. Okay, kala ko hindi nagpe-play. Okay, kopyahin na lang natin. Okay, plus the cube root of x plus delta x multiply by the cube root of x plus the cube root of x squared. Okay, 2 yan. So, bali makakancel. Ito ko yung cube. So, makakancel na lang yung cube root yan. At pati yung exponent, cancel out nyo na lang. So, ang natira sa part na to is delta y over delta x is equal to x plus delta x by minus x. Okay? All over by delta x. Okay? Okay, kopyahin nyo na lang ulit yan. Okay? X minus x, 0. Delta x divided by delta x is equal to 1. So, 1 over, okay, the cube root of x plus delta x squared plus delta x, I mean cube root of x plus delta x multiply by the cube root of x, okay, plus the cube root of x squared. So ito yung rationalized form ng delta y over delta x natin. Okay, the last and final step is find the limit. Find the limit of or the f prime of x is equal to the limit of delta y over delta x as delta x approaches to 0. So, the f prime of x is equal to the limit of 1 over the denominator. The cube root of x plus delta x squared, okay, plus the cube root of x plus delta x, okay, multiply by the cube root of x plus the cube root of x squared, okay, as delta x approaches to 0. So, ang lahat ng may delta x is magiging 0. So, f prime of x is equal to 1 all over by the cube root of, okay, x plus 0 squared plus the cube root of x plus 0, okay, multiply by the cube root of x, okay, plus the cube root of x squared. Okay, so the f prime of x is equal to 1 over the cube root of x squared. Okay, distribute nyo na lang yung squared dito. Okay, plus the cube root of x, okay, multiply by the cube root of x is equal to the cube root of x squared, okay, plus the cube root of x squared. Okay, kung mapapansin nyo, pare-pareho. So, tatlong cube root of x squared yan. It means na ang f prime of x natin is equal to 1 over 3, okay, cube root of x squared. So, ayan na yung final answer. Okay, so ito na yung end ng solution natin sa number 5. Kung medyo magulo, feel free na magtanong kayo sa ating comment section. At don't forget to click the like, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell for you na ma-notify ka sa mga next upload natin. Okay, goodbye.